Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos beef updated. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and gather chips, 1 lb ground beef, shredded cheese, and toppings. Brown beef with taco seasoning, drain excess fat, and layer chips, beef, and cheese on a baking sheet. Bake until cheese melts and edges crisp. Top with jalapenos, pico de gallo, sour cream, and cilantro. Always serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Start by heating a skillet and adding a touch of oil to prevent sticking. Add 1 lb ground beef and cook over medium-high heat until fully browned, breaking it up as it cooks. Drain excess fat to avoid soggy nachos, then return beef to the pan and stir in taco seasoning with a splash of water to bind the spices. Taste and adjust salt so flavors pop on the chips. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to help me make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that hold salsa, cheese, and guacamole without spills, perfect for transporting nacho toppings to parties or work. They stack neatly and cut down on waste, so you save time and mess. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layering is key. Start with a single even chip layer, then sprinkle shredded cheese, cooked beef, and repeat for height without overcrowding. Use 2 baking sheets for large batches to keep chips crisp and heat consistent. Bake at 375 degrees F just until cheese melts and edges brown lightly. Finish with fresh toppings after baking so jalapenos, pico, and sour cream stay bright. Serve on a large platter and encourage sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.